The final decision is simply which route fits you best. The customer option is still the Digital Pro Pack, $299 for the first month and $185 each month after that. For someone who wants to use the products, learn the skill set, have use of the scanners, tools, the indicators, access the academy, the app, and be part of the community. That is the full starting point. The distributor option is completely optional and sits on top of the still required Digital Pro Pack. The slide shows the additional $30 in the first month and the additional $15 each month after that, making the current combined amount $329 for month 1 and $200 monthly thereafter. All pricing is shown in the US dollars again and should be checked in the app frequently for the latest information. For no more, if it applies, it can offset the customer subscription as outlined on the previous slide. The builder option, the distributor amount, though, still remains payable once you choose the business route, and the compensation plan conditions still apply. There is no pressure to choose the business side. You may simply use the products, scanners, tools, services, and develop the skill set. Or you may decide that the distributor route is something that you personally would like to explore as well. Take the time to ask your questions, get them answered, understand the details, and choose the path that is right for you. Whatever you decide, the most important thing is to plug into the education, use what is available, and give yourself the chance to grow. Get back to the person that showed you this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.